Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper here, the Chatbot Ninja, and what am I going to talk to you about today is something inside of BizStackPro. It's one of the premium bonuses, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough and uh, uh, try and help you set up your first settings uh, inside of the Chatbomb. I did introduce it on the last video, um, but now I'm going to go and actually show you what I'm going to uh, uh, actually show you. So let's have a look, and I'll share my screen. Yep, share screen. Oh, yeah. Let's go again. Share screen. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. And there we are. So now, what have we got? What have we got in here? We have got the chatbot, and once you sign in, you get your sign-in credentials per email. Once you applied for the premium bonus, and once you get your sign-in details and you sign in, you will hit this screen. Now, this screen is your live chat inbox statistics. It's your little dashboard sort of thing. If you've got more than one widget, they will show up here. There's only one widget set up at the moment, which is the default widget, and you will have to add your channels and your domain. I've already done the domain, which is whitelisted the domain. You have to whitelist your domains. Okay, you have to whitelist the domains. But up here on the right hand side, you've got your profile. You can switch workspace. You've got more than one workspace. You can switch your to say whether you're on offline, default, always online, the light mode or dark mode, and your system, and you can log out. Then you've got your workspaces, though. You can set up your workspaces plus and add a workspace. I'm going to leave it on the default one at the moment. I'm not going to add any more workspaces because I don't need it. Now, as I say, your widget is your first default one. You need to add a domain. Okay. And we've got one domain, well, two domains, because we've got Chatbot Ninja Training and the www.chatbotninjatraining. But you only need to whitelist the one. So to do that, you've got on here, you've got you can manage your channels. You can grab the widget code. We'll be doing that later once we get the add it to a website. You can go to the chat flows editor, or you can here go to the settings and do the settings for your whitelisting. Now I'm going to leave it on one, but you can add this widget to more than one domain, more than one website. but you can only add one widget to a website. You can't have two widgets going to the same website. You can add the widget to many websites as long as they're listed in this list of domains. I've just got the one in there at the moment. I'm going to leave it at that. So, right. Now, what else do we need to do? We need to have a look. Oh, we've got no channels at the moment. I'm going to be adding a live chat channel in there in a moment. Because any others we will add those at a later stage in a different video. Okay. So first of all, we're going to have a look at here on the left-hand side, and we've got forms. Any incoming forms. So if somebody fills out a callback form, it will show up here. If it's somebody email form, it will show up here. Any offline forms filled out, the details will be shown here. This is your people who fill out a form. Any chats, they will come into here. At the moment, there's no threads, no chats here at the moment because we've got to set it up. So this one here is go to the chat flow. We got no chat flows set up at the moment, but I will be adding those a basic flow later, and you'll like that. Then we got visitors. Okay, so I tested it earlier, and I tested it with two myself twice. It does show up in here. The same with contacts. If you've got a contact, they will show in here. I've got no contacts at the moment because I deleted them. The visitors will show up automatically. The contacts, they will go automatically into your contacts into the mini CRM. And then we've got departments. No organization. You can set up an organization here. So if you've got a website and your organization is Chatbot Ninja Training, same as mine, it will be here, and the information will go in here about that. Again, we'll do that later. And then we got tickets. Believe it or not, this is a ticketing system as well. So you can do a full-blown help with this, including tickets. I've got no tickets sorted at the moment. Again, it's just a blank screen. And then your tickets will show up here. Or no tasks. This is tasks. You can set up a task for your team. You can set up a task for yourself. Things to do, you write it in here. Then you've got meetings. There are no meetings yet. Again, it's for a later video. We'll go through that later. You can set up a knowledge base. I've just set up a little one-page just to show you what you will get in here. So your page one title, and you can each page will you can set up a knowledge base. So an help and knowledge base. Help system. Does that make it powerful? Yes, it does. So you can set up your own little knowledge base about your company, about the company that you're working with, about the software that you're working with, about and it becomes a little knowledge base in here. Then we've got settings. Now you can integrate integrations. Integrations, you can integrate it with Twilio, Telegram, Google Capture, Perfect CRM, Fresh Sales CRM, Google Sheets, ChatGPT. I will show you what by doing ChatGPT later, but you have to put in your API key. You can get your API key. I've already done it, but you will get your API key from OpenAI, and you add it to that one here. Open Router, things like that you can do, and integrate, and there are more coming. Okay, what else we got? AI assistants. AI assistant. I built an actual assistant, technical support assistant prompt for Chatbot Ninja. And again, it'll be something we talk about later. Forms, you can set up your forms. This is the basic ones that come with it. You can put your own forms in here. You can add a form. You can edit the forms, whatever you want. You can actually do that. Again, it will be something later. Email settings. Now, email settings, this is where your IMAP connections are made, your SMTP, and anything that going to a so external email server, and you save it all in here. I'm not doing that at the moment. We'll probably come back to that later if I get a chance to do it. Email templates. Again, there are some email templates here, like new ticket created, new ticket assigned, unassigned from agent. It's all about the tickets. Yeah. And it's all enabled. Then you can build your own custom templates, email templates. I've not done any of that at the moment because I've just got into it. Tags. You can set up tags. You can set up live chat integrations. Live chat integrations. Let's have a look at what we can put in there. A live chat. So at the moment, you can go Twilio SMS, Twilio WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, Line. This one is good for me because we use Line here in Taiwan. And you can add WhatsApp, WhatsApp QR code, Messenger, and Instagram. I will ask about those at a later date, and we'll go through that as well. Live chat quick replies. These are your quick replies. If you want to set up little templates, yeah. You can drop files in there as well. Again, it'll be something we tackle at a later date. Conversations settings. Send a transcript to agents by email. Send a transcript to clients by email. Automatically archive threads. You can send the actual chat that you have with your customer. You can send it to their email, and you will have to set up the settings here. A knowledge base, as I say, you can set up the knowledge base. Yeah. Show article author. You can have it the author's name in there. You can have different articles all done. You can set them up yourself, and it goes to the knowledge base. Tagline, ticket form, support So ticket form, callback form, email form, offline form. We're gonna leave it at that. Then we got tickets. These are your ticket settings. Yeah. General statuses, priorities, types of ticket, status assignments, and all the settings for that will go in here. Widgets, all your widgets. Again, you will see the setting, no channels, and you do all your settings for those here. Widget settings. Now we can, here we go for channels. We'll look at the channels here. You can create your first channel. I'm going to create a channel here for a live chat. So we're going to look in here. What do we have? We got WhatsApp message, WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Viber, Telegram. Skype is no more available, as Skype is discontinued since May 1st. Instagram, Signal, Discord, Slack, Twitter, Line app, Snapchat, WeChat. They can all come into your chat area, all in one place. You will see them all in one place. So it's a feed. Social profiles, Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok profile, your Twitter page, LinkedIn page, and YouTube channel. Now, if you put a YouTube channel in there, it doesn't mean that you'll the chat from YouTube will come in here. It means that if you've got your YouTube in the widget and you press on that button, it will take you to take the visitor to your YouTube channel. Yeah. Live integration. This is the one we're going to live chat widget, so we're going to add that in a moment. But you've got callback form, email form, offline form. You can add those to your widget. So if you want them to ask for a callback, give them the callback form. If you want them to email to fill out the email form, you add the email form, and you will email them back. Offline form is an offline form. It's for anything that's offline, and they fill it in, and you've got their information. Custom link. You can add a custom link. You can add click to email, click to call, click to SMS. So if they click to one of these, they will go to their SMS, and they will send you an SMS. Custom pop-up. You can add an iframe pop-up. You can add pop-up image. You can add custom JS code. Yeah. It's a lot you can add to the actual widget itself. I'm just going to go for a live chat one at the moment, and we're going to call it Chatbot Ninja live chat. Chatbot Ninja live chat. Oh, Ninja with a capital. You can add a subtitle if you want. You can add emojis. You can add an AI assistant. Yeah. And then action. So this is where you look for adding other channels, other things. If you click on here, you can click this one again. And then your custom JS if you want to. Again, that's something we'll have a look at maybe in the future. And we're going to save it. Now we've got a channel added to that. So, and we've got the thing here. So let's have a look at the we'll go to edit, customization. We're going to have a look at this. I don't like the one that's automatically there. And we're going to go to something like this. I like this one, this chat. We're going to add that one instead. We're going to, you can customize the colors. You can add your own personal colors in here. I'm going to leave it as it is, and we're going to save it. It's customizable. Okay, now button settings. Button settings, again, it's something that you can change the button style, menu, built-in SVG, which is the chap SGV, the colors, the large button size. You can a border radius, icon size, right, fade in. It could be right, left position, left or right, fade up, fade in up, fade in. And there's a lot of change that you can do. Okay, and that's what it does here in this thing here. Okay, so now menu settings. Again, you can have the widget preview. So change it to a different one. If you look at what it is here, I like it to stay where it is. Yeah, I like it where it is, and for it to come up or come down. Leave it at that, and we go to the live chat. Okay, so now prompt messages. We got again, prompt messages. We'll go through these later. Live chats. You can add a live chat widget, which is Chatbomb live chat bit widget, which is a thing, or you can use Talk or Crisp Messenger. Those two you can add as well. A live chat widget. So built-in SVG, the colors. Again, it's type something to start the conversation. Let's chat or whatever you want to put in here. I'm going to leave it at where it is at the moment. We're going to go through these later. Live chat settings. Again, show pre-chat GDPR consent. If you're in Europe, you probably need the pre-chat GDPR consent, and you will fill out the information on that you want to put in here. You can enable icebreakers. You can connect chat flow if agent is not joined to the thread. So if somebody is not, if your agent is offline at the time, or you are offline at the time, and this one is connected, you will be able to have a chat flow start automatically. Enable multiple agents to join one thread. That's if you want to pull in other people and have a chat at the same time. We're not going to do anything like that at the moment. We're just going to leave it basic, and we're going to leave it as it is. Branding. Now, branding, at the moment, it's a premium thing, and the branding is not. So it's on default, and you can't remove the branding, and you can't put custom branding at the moment. that might change when we if Shelley decides. Unified widget is something that I am going to be looking at because it adds a whole new dimension to the widget. It is in beta, but you can add lots and lots of stuff, which is another video of it in itself, just for this widget design. I'm going to go through that once I've worked out everything that I needed in mine, and you'll get so. So the next thing is advanced settings. Again, advanced settings, we'll go through those in a later date. You can add your team members. You can add departments, notification settings, and apps and plugins. Well, you don't need to know these at this very moment in time, so there will be a video on that coming in the near future. Okay, so that is settings. So really, that is it. That is it. Now we've added a channel, yeah, and we're going to add the next thing is going to be adding this chat widget to a website. So we're going to go here. We're going to grab the script by copying the code. Yeah, copying the code, and then we're going to go to our BizStackPro websites, and we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to the settings menu, and I'm going to add it to here, to the script. In fact, I'm going to take this one out because I did it yesterday. So delete it. I'm going to go and copy that one that I've just done and add it again. And we're going to save it. Now, you've got to make sure that your Chatbot Ninja training is in the done in the settings as well, the domain, and this is the one I'm talking about that will show up, allow it to show up on your website. It's no good just having the code here, as long as your domain is connected here and the whitelisted domain is the same, it will show. Okay, so let's go and have a look at what happens when it comes in. So products list. Let's go to that one, and it should show up on the bottom right here. Oh, bottom right. Here we go, and there's the live chat. If I could press that button, and we're going to start Chatbot Ninja live chat. Are we actually going to send a message? I'm going to say, hello, this is a test. And we're going to bang it there. And we know that it's there. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to go and have a look at the chats. It should show up here as a visitor. Oh, look here, join the thread. So it pops up on the bottom right-hand corner, and then we're going to join the thread. It will take us to the chat window. Look, it shows up, and it actually shows up with some information, and you can say, okay, hi there. You could even ask ChatGPT to if you've got it, ChatGPT, OpenAI connected, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a message. You can say chat, you can make notes, you can make comments, and it would all be registered inside of the contacts here. So there's a contact. Yeah, done. And let's have a look at the website. I think it was this one. No, it's not. It's this one. Hi there. Okay, so we've got the customer talking, and then hi there. He's back. Okay. So, right, let's go back and there we have the basic walkthrough and minimum setup to get something working on your website with chat and whatever. More videos are coming. I'm going to stop sharing and let's go and look at you. And I hope this is a basic walkthrough. I explained a little bit of the Chatbomb, and it's looking really powerful. I'm enjoying playing with it. Get in there and play with it yourself. You're not going to break it. You can always redo all the information once you've found out what you need to do. So I'm going to say, first of all, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the bell for new videos when I bring them out. Again, I hope you enjoyed playing with the Chatbomb inside of BizStackPro, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you then. And